don't. But we have to tell anyone you'll fall in love. Who's fall in love? Miley Cyrus. Wow. Miley Cyrus. How come you love him, Miley Cyrus? I don't know, Wenlock. She's got beautiful eyes. A beautiful eyes? That's right, Mandeville. Oh, this is ridiculous. You can't fall in love with Miley Cyrus. Why not, Spuddy? Because he's got a boyfriend. Oh, I see. So today, you said we're gonna spend time with our friends, like me. Yeah, yeah. Hey, that's what I'm trying to do, guys. I'm spending time with you. Oh, that's really kind, Formula Fan. Wait. So let's get started. So I'm gonna do some playing Extreme Express just for 2 tracks. The PlayStation is over there. And let's play. Okay. Is Extreme Expresses in there? Yep. Wait, that's the one. Alright, it's starting. Wait. Let's hit the intro. Let's hit the intro. So that's the intro, right? Let's play. How many tracks are you gonna send? I'm gonna say 2, but I'm gonna say 3. Okay. Which one we gonna pick? How about I think a venue B. A venue B, right. I'm gonna pick the train called Doggy Chill. And okay, fine. Yep, I'm ready to go. You control the train, Formula Fan. Here we go. Come on, Formula fan. You can win this. Not far now, Formula fan. You still on the lead. No, I'm not gonna slow down. Oh yes, Formula fan, you almost go. Yay! You're the winner, Formula fan. Wait. Let's see the highlights. Wait. You're very good at Extreme Express. Thank you, Simon. Ready to go. Come on, Formula fan. Yay! No, don't go. That was close. what are we gonna play next? Cause what do you said about what about Spuddy? Oh, me and Spuddy are gonna sing a song. Okay. Oh, you have to hurry? Yeah. Okay, well we pick. That's the last. That was the second one. Now, what's the final one? The final one is that I like is Rural Lane. Rural Lane. Okay, let's go.